Hi guys, this is Moses again in another video fixing the rattle noises in my Model 3. And I went back to this area because I still can hear some noises. So what I did is that I had this wire that I use for my LED lights, and they were not secure. I forgot to secure that the last time when I did that. So this time I put velcro to secure the part, and another one here, and another one there, and one more over there. Another thing that you want to check is to make sure that all your uh, pieces are in there. This one was off. It was floating around on the floor. So I was able to find it and put it back on. Now when we go to this noise, previously I used foam behind this area, and it wasn't enough. I could still hear noise. So this time what I did was to use this type of velcro, and you cut it in pieces, and then you put it in between the plastic piece and the bolt. Okay, I think it's a torque 45, which I don't have, so I couldn't take it off and do it in a different way. So the only way to do it was to, go around that area. I cut it in pieces and I push it in all the way in. So now it's more secure. It's not making any noise. Okay. So I had to go back and fix that. Uh, Another thing is that I have to do is with the cover, this piece here. The problem with this is that this is a two pieces that goes together. Uh, the piece that goes up and down when you adjust the belt, the seat belt, and it's making rattle noises because it's loose. Okay, this gray piece, okay, that goes up and down, that piece is not 100% secure to avoid noise. So what I did is I put some velcro, okay, in 6 locations. um, as you can see on this area here in this part of the video, uh, here there is one here, another one here, and another one here. I also put another piece here in the middle, in this middle section. It's underneath so you don't see it, but that will make a little, it will add actually a little bit of friction between this piece that has to move up and down, you know. So now it's a little tighter, but as you know, we don't move this part every single day. You know, you just put it in one place and that's it. Okay, so it won't be a problem. In my case, I like it, all the way up. Okay, so make sure that you cover it on both sides. As you can see, the velcro there, and then another piece over there. Okay, so just cover those sections with velcro to add more friction between these two pieces. Okay, this and this one. So when you add that, I'm pretty sure that the sound is gonna be more pleasant. At least it's not gonna be too bad. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back in place and then go to the other side. The B pillar on the passenger side. Okay, thank you for watching. You have any question, let me know. I want to hear your comments. All right, so make sure, again, you don't have any cable loose. Check this area that is secure on both sides behind the plastic bar, the plastic and the metal bar, and then in between this side of the plastic and the bolt. You want to make sure that that is secure, that is not making any rattle noise. And then work on this side. Okay? All right, guys. See you the next time. Bye.